Warehouse Management System. The Warehouse Management System is an all-in-one warehouse management system developed for distribution, logistics, and warehousing businesses. The WMS software gives you full operational control over the storage and transportation of your products, delivering dependability to your control processes. The module is specifically designed for your warehouse's smart and effective management. Key features: clear insights via warehouse dashboard. The warehouse manager can easily get all the detailed information about the warehouse operations like incoming orders, outgoing deliveries, activities running delays, and much more with the help of the warehouse dashboard. Real-time details with barcode integration. WMS uses barcodes at every step as it is capable of identifying the product at every stage and location, and fetching other related details easily by providing real-time data. Smooth multi-location management. WMS helps you track all the activities of your warehouse at multiple locations using a single platform. Return merchandise authorization process. The RMA process states the return of any product due to issues like off-quality, overall item tracing and tracking. WMS offers a full inventory tracing and tracking system that enables users to conduct complete reasonable physical audits. Effective batch picking. WMS saves the picker's time in picking the batch of orders from the same location when receiving the orders in the warehouse. Complete traceability of stock. WMS helps its users to assign the serial, lot numbers to the products. It includes 4 types of traceabilities: reverse traceability, forward traceability, in-house traceability, external traceability, better inventory adjustment. Inventory adjustments are performed to correct the differences between recorded and real inventory items. Identifying inventory valuation. The accounting process of giving a company's inventory a value is called inventory valuation. There are several ways to determine inventory value. These are the first in, first out, FIFO, method, the last in, first out, LIFO, method, and the weighted average cost, WAC, method. Replenishment with reordering rules. These are the guideline of a set of rules that assist the warehouse manager in creating the minimum-maximum inventory level. Routing options with advanced routing. WMS enables its users to choose the best routing option for their warehouse operations, including push and pull rules, drop shipping, cross-docking, product and product variant management. The user can do the overall product management operations with detailed insights into the product categories, types, and variants with UOM, units of measure. Optimum inventory forecasting. By taking previous sales data, analysis, and other available records, the WMS safeguards the businessman from getting out of stock or overstocking the inventory.
For more info, visit our website, www.O2btechnologies.com. or contact us at info@O2btechnologies.com. O2b Technologies, transforming business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.